right, let's see here. Oh, he's dead.
What? Nothing. I'm just a hologram.
Damn it, I wish Krieger wouldn't do these idiot mods.
Yep.
Oh, Clyde! Clyde, is that you? It's me, dear, Mrs. J. Edgar Hoover's mother.
It's open, ma'am.
Sorry, baby, sorry, baby, sorry, baby, sorry, baby, sorry, baby, sorry, baby, sorry, baby.
Get cocaine!
But lunch is still a firm 12. Hi, welcome to Nazi Canada.
Tanks! You jerks.
Don't even want to know.
Yay!
Mop, 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 mop.
God damn it! It's not my ears.
What?
Asshole! What the hell?
I'm sorry. Seriously, I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize for doing that.
Everything else in part of the bag.
Wait, what was that?
Don't worry about it.
The controls. Beep, boop, boop, boop. Come on, Cyborg. R2-D2 it.
Go on, shoo! Shoot, hit, shit. Oh, shit.
All that matters to me is that you return the disc. Now, good day.
Oh, my God.
Oh, yeah, what were you gonna say, smart guy?
The money's not in my house. It's in
Tom's house and in Bill's house and
A murder mystery.
well, fingers crossed.
Clump!
Ah!
Funny story, I wasn't gonna pay anyway. So, skibidi-bidi-boo-shoo-bye, skibidi-little-doo-doo, skibidi-jabba-doo, later.